Hello my friends and welcome to another Tuesday of tutorial. I am Leonardo Pereznieto and today we will draw a starry and cloudy night with pastels. With a very light blue we sketch the silhouette of the hills and then we begin drawing the clouds. I apply it with a rubbing motion lightly and as you see we are using black paper. Let's make some more over here. And then with a soft brush, we go over them to make them look soft and cloudy. The pastels don't hold too much to the paper, so you can do nice effects like this. And now let's add some dark blue. I do this especially on the lower part of some clouds. And we go over it with the brush. Now let's bring some highlights by adding more of the light blue. I imagine the border of some of these clouds. And this time let's smudge the color with a stump, because this tool gives you more precision than the brush. Very good. And with a kneaded eraser, I can take off some of the color with precision, to give a little bit of depth. Let's do some more over here. And if it looks too hard, you can always soften it with your trusty brush. And let's do some highlights to the ones on this other side. Softly, and again, following the edge of the clouds. By the way, we have a drawing contest. To check it out, visit fineart-tips.com. Now, with a rag, or in this case with a chamois, we can take off and lift some of the color, in case you want some more of the black of the paper to show. It is like erasing, and again, we can soften the edges with the brush. Very good. Now, we make a flat edge with the eraser to draw the trees. We draw by erasing. They are going to be pine trees, standing over there, very far on the horizon. Up on this hill will be the bigger ones, and then the rest will be even smaller. Very good. Excelente. And finally, with the white pastel, we draw the stars. There will be plenty of them, especially in the areas of black, of course. We should make them of different sizes. We give it the last touches and it's ready. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like, share it to your friends and subscribe to Fine Art Tips. And I will see you on Tuesday.